Yo guys, what's up? Thanks for checking out the video. We're real quick, just getting out. I actually wanted to come out to just go grab a drink at the gas station, but figured I'd bring you along. So here we are. So I just started practicing throttle one-handers the other day, and we actually made some decent progress. So I kind of want to just make sure I keep that up. Oh, we got the real bikes out, the gas bikes. This guy must have been looking for me. He's like, there you go. Your size, he said. Too bad I can wheelie better than all these guys. They laugh till they see what I got. Whew, these one-handers are hard though. Yeah, we were getting a bit of a groove on them the other day. There we go. Pop up top real quick, see if anyone's around. I'm sure there will be people. If you guys saw my last video, or I think it was 2 videos ago, I actually did my longest wheelie ever. I think the longest wheelie on a Razor. I beat Brad, aka that Razor kid. It was like 4 minutes and 18 seconds. So that made my wrist so sore. I had the worst arm pump, but I challenged someone to beat it because I know I can beat it. I definitely can do better than that, especially if the road I did it on was closed. It was literally open and there were cars passing me nonstop, so it was a little sketchy, but you know, it's all good. Whew. Wow, I honestly can't believe that nobody is here. Dude, I need to replace my front rotor. That shit is, it must be bent because it's just making terrible sounds. Looks like there's some people over here. Yo, what's good? How we doing? What's good?
Like a original 650 something?
Yeah, it's a 500. Yeah, but I upgraded the battery and motor and everything.
You watched that? You saw that from like Soransto or something?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, he inspired me to do it. Huh?
How fast is that gas go?
The fastest I've done is like 42. If you do higher gearing, it can go faster, but I am putting their bigger motor on it though. Yeah, it looks like they're about to do a ride out, but I don't think I'm gonna partake because I don't have any battery. Plus, I just told my girlfriend I left to get a soda, so that's what I'm trying to do. Ooh, the wind. What is this guy doing? Alright, let's get some circles right here. Little parking garage action. See if we can get a one-hander.